With this breakthrough technology and state-of-the-art engineering, you will experience intuitive, ergonomic, and efficient handling, not seen in microscopy yet. With the generated overview image, you seamlessly zoom into your sample. As you navigate through the slide, the sample is scanned in real time, resulting in a large field of view, consisting of many combined high-resolution images, never seen before in microscopy. This is what we call interactive and instant scanning. Precipoint redefines how you use your microscope. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to handle, ready to use right out of the box. This is the M8, a truly smart microscope. Precipoint. Discover smart microscopy.